flag down. Yeah. Your side.
What happened? What happened?
I hope that the people around my tent and a big woman had a gun in her hand.
A big woman?
Where is she?
Inside?
They're right there.
Okay, inside. Alright, just direct us over there real quick.
Walk a little bit from here?
Yeah, fuck it.
Give it a shot.
I don't know what. Blue jeans.
Did you see?
That's all I saw.
Blue jeans, black hoodie, so
But
she
it was
woke
a
up with a
female.
fucking gun like that.
See, there they are right there.
Blue jeans, black hoodie?
Fuck. Hey,
2035, where you at? Give me on 3rd.
the one with the light?
I don't know.
Why are they there?
Her?
Yes.
Hey, stop! Stop real quick, we just want to talk to you. Oh shit. Shots fired, dog. Shots fired.
Shots fired.
Shots fired. Hey, retreat. Take cover, Cover. Hey, it's gonna be a female white with a black hoodie. Let's get an airship. Let's get a perimeter on this.
Hey, get the light.
Okay.
You know, respond to Arcadia.
Shots fired.
I'll get the call.
Shot fired.
Hey, we got two right here on the left.
She's inside the bushes. Straight ahead.
35 Ridge, right?
You want to see that engine block?
South of the 110 with first
Hey, we need someone with a rifle. Oh shit.
Officer needs help, Arcadians. Officer needs help.
Hey, St. Christine, shots fired.
Shots fired. Hey, area coming on central frequency.
We need the fucking engine.
Maybe on the north end of the
Hey, I'm gonna go back with your partner, alright?
If you block traffic at
Where do you want me at? Right here?
Look, just hold it because we don't know where she's at.
Block off at Aliso and Spring Street. That's going to use caution when approaching.
Hey, get cover. Hey, get cover.
You are stated as a possible rifle. Have officers use caution when approaching the location.
Hey, get a unit.
35 also, is there a unit that's a UPR?
Yeah, we don't have any UPR.
Oh, we got UPR.
No, who does?
Sorry. Hey, get cover, sir, because we're taking shots from just north of us.
Squad.
Yeah, lady.
We don't know where the subject is.
Female white with a black sweater.
In the bush is.
She's wearing blue jeans. Wearing blue jeans.
West of Spring Street. We need units block traffic.
Take cover, sir.
Oh shit. Aliso and Spring Street. And see the chop is and Aliso.
Chop, you got the rifle!
Hey, be advised, we got eyes on a blue tent. It's gonna be just east of the 110. Shots are being fired.
Behind that palm tree, if you step to the left, you have a clear shot, but you probably need a shield here or back this thing up.
Hey, can the airship tell us which one's got the gun? Because I got line of sight on one of them. And it's clear. I got a clear shot. But I need to know.
You're standing up.
Don't fucking do it!
She's got it to her head. She's got it to her head. See her wrist bending this way? One's down. She's coming towards us. She's behind the palm tree. She's behind the palm tree, straight in front of you. Now she's going back out. She's going back out. She went back out. She's in the blue tent. There's one down. One's down, straight ahead of you.
I got her. I'm down. I got her.
She's still down.
She's still down. I'm still covering her.
See a body on the ground?
Yes.
I got eyes on her.
I got one body down, one went to the blue tent.
Hold on, don't do anything.
I got eyes on her still.
They've separated, so let's let them get that person in custody.
She's still down.
Still down, not moving. Hey, can the airship tell us which one's got the gun? Because I got line of sight on one of them, and it's clear. I got a clear shot, but I need to know. Don't fucking do it! I see her. I'm gonna shoot.
Where is she?
One back down. That might be the victim. Yeah, I see her. I got her. I'm covering. I got her. She's still down. She's still down. I'm still covering her. Yes, I got eyes on it. Hey, let's bump up to the fence.
Hold on, don't do anything.
I got eyes on her still.
They've separated, so let's let them get that person in custody.
Still down. She's still down, not moving.
You guys are ready.
Yeah. All right, move up.
Cover that tent.